Senior Superintendent of Police Odongo Tony ojokire mukuru wa polisi Ageihangwe ayihanangiriza abatendekwa kugira emitwe hamwe no gukora gye bashomesibwe
kuza kora ahakuma karuuru. So oburungi bwa karuuru naro burungi bwa kuronda akubutera karuuru nubwija kutandika nimwe abakubukuma. Police, we are a happy force. So you must put a smile on your face and be happy as you serve your people. I've told you, you are the image of the force. So you need to be happy, smile. Even when you're telling someone that don't do this, there is a smile on the face. You have won my heart.
Issue of discipline is not negotiable. Issue of being patriotic. The love for your country should start with the love for yourself. If you come with shabby hair, you don't have the karuuru on, and you expect to attract the attention of the DPC for onward recommendation for fish assignments, forget.
A lot has been talked about discipline. If you are disciplined, work becomes easy. They blow a whistle, you come. But if you are indiscipline, they are blowing a whistle to mobilize you for work, you are running to the forest. Are you running mad? That is indiscipline. So when they are blowing a whistle, they are mobilizing you to come.
abatendekwa bamazire 2011 kandi bija kuhweraho omukuma karuraka.
We are going to deploy these people according to where they come from. Police stations and posts where they come from. So they are going to be working from their homes. They are going to be equipped with platoons and dressed in full uniform. And they will be answering to their respective OCs.
Amakora gagasha kwa Nesmas Ndyanabo